little video and I didn't. So I'll repeat some of that. In the elementary schools, they're certainly using arrays by 3rd grade. Maybe before then. We should probably take a look at the standards on the Louisiana website and find where it says arrays. That'll be a topic for another class. So on this one that we just did the perimeter, let's also find the area. And what raised that question in my head about the elementary schools is this. If you would ask your elementary student how many squares are in this picture, what are they likely to do? Count them. I'm thinking little bitty kids. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32. So I got 32 squares there. Maybe if y'all have been practicing skip counting, what grade do they start skip counting? Probably before 3rd grade. Okay. Where you're doing some 8, 16, 24, 32. I just picked the end of it because I'm sort of looking at, in my head, I'm thinking I might be teaching the multiplication tables, and I'm working on the 8s right now with my elementary kids. So that's why 8, 16, 24, 32. And we did this with sequences, but they do it in the elementary school when they're doing skip counting and when they're learning their multiplication tables. Some of this might come up. But anyway, let's get back to the variable stuff. I kind of got off track there. With variables, instead of counting, I could have done what for the area? I could have multiplied length times width. So for this, I could say now, we're done with perimeter, area. The area of a rectangle, I could write A equals length times width. So again, variables used in a generalization. Here's a formula that works for the area of any rectangle. This formula works for the area of any rectangle. Variables are used to represent some specific situation, and in this case, area of a rectangle. For our problem, for our rectangle, yes, is that okay? Area is 8 times 4. If you said 4 times 8, that's okay. 32 what? Square units. When I did the perimeter, I didn't say square units because you're walking, if you're doing the perimeter and I'm thinking about walking around the block, you're walking some linear distance. You're walking a straight line. But if you do an area, you're really talking about how many squares are in that picture. 32 square units. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we'll take one of these shapes. And I'm going to maybe draw a line, but I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut from one corner to the next, cut on the diagonal of one of the next shapes.